Hello friends, welcome back to my channel once again. In this video we are going to discuss 30 latest exam questions of fire prevention and firefighting. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and also like this video and share this video as much as you can. Thank you. Question number 1. In the event of a fire, the doors to a stair tower must be closed to prevent the spread of fire by option A, convection, option B, conduction, option C, radiation, and option D, ventilation. Answer will be A, convection. Next question. Question number 2. The galley on your cargo vessel has an area of 2900 square feet. What will fulfill the requirements for fire protection? Option A, 1B1 extinguisher. Option B, 1B2 extinguisher. Option C, 1B2 and 1C2 extinguisher. Option D, 1B5 extinguisher. Answer will be C, 1B2 and 1C2 extinguisher. Next question. Question number 3. The most likely location for a liquid cargo fire to occur on a tanker would be option A, in the midship house, option B, at the main deck manifold, option C, at the vent header, and option D, in the pump room. Answer will be D, in the pump room. Next question. Question number 4. The explosive range of petroleum vapors mixed with air is option A, 0% to 1%, option B, 1% to 10%, option C, 10% to 15%, and option D, 12% to 20%. Answer will be B, 1% to 10%. Question number 5. A magnesium fire is classified as option A, class A, option B, class B fire, option C, class C fire, and option D, class D fire. Answer will be D, class D fire. Question number 6. In oil tanker ships, what kind of fixed firefighting installation is mostly used? Option A, foam type installation, option B, CO2 total flooding, option C, DCP type, and option D, water type installation. Answer will be A, foam type installation. Next question. Question number 7. When using CO2 type fire extinguisher, which should be done first? Option A, pull the pin, option B, squeeze the handle suddenly, option C, shake the bottle before use, and option D, hold the discharge horn with hand. Answer will be A, pull the pin. Question number 8. For tanker ships, how many firefighters outfits to be available on board? Option A, 4 firefighters outfit, option B, 2 firefighters outfit, option C, 6 firefighters outfit, and option D, 8 firefighters outfit. Answer will be A, 4 firefighters outfit. Question number 9. 3 basic elements of fire are option A, heat, gas, and flames, option B, fuel, heat, and oxygen, option C, heat, nitrogen, and fuel, and option D, fuel, oil, nitrogen, and oxygen. Answer will be B, fuel, heat, and oxygen. Question number 10. What is the best practice for using CO2 type fire extinguisher? Option A, direct at the base of fire and do the sweep action, option B, just release on the top of fire, option C, direct on the bulkhead behind the fire, option D, direct on the flame. Answer will be A, direct at the base of fire and do the sweep action. Question number 11. You are on watch at sea at night when the ordinary seaman reports a fire in the number 5 upper deck twin deck. Which of the following should not be done immediately? Option A, sound the general alarm, option B, secure mechanical cargo holds ventilation, option C, call for water on deck, option D, release carbon dioxide into the affected compartment. Answer will be D. Release carbon dioxide into the affected compartment. Question number 12. Apart from CO2 for cargo tanks, what feature this fire extinguishing installation should have? Option A. Time delay and audible alarm. Option B. Releasing station in forward of ship. Option C. Complete spare bank of CO2 bottles. Option D. Automatic release system. Answer will be A. Time delay and audible alarm. Question number 13. When using fire extinguisher, which of the following is the correct sequence? Option A. Pull pin, direct, stand and sweep. Option B. Squeeze, sit and direct. Option C. Pull pin, aim and shake. Option D. All of the above. Correct answer will be A. Pull pin, direct, stand and sweep. Next question. Question number 14. You are in the engine room and you hear CO2 alarm. What action is most appropriate? Option A. Stay where you are. Option B. Someone might be testing the alarm, so no need to worry. Option C. Immediately leave the engine room, closing all doors behind. And option D. Search for all personals and then leave. Correct answer will be C. Immediately leave the engine room, closing all doors behind. Next question. Question number 15. When the handle of an all-purpose nozzle is pulled all the way back, it will option A. Produce high velocity fog. Option B. Produce low velocity fog. Option C. Produce a straight stream. Option D. Shut off the water. Answer will be B. Produce low velocity fog. Question 16. You are fighting a class B fire with a portable dry chemical extinguisher. The discharge should be directed. Option A. To bank of a bulkhead onto the fire. Option B. At the seat of the fire starting at the near edge. Option C. Over the top of the fire. Option D. At the main body of the fire. Correct answer will be at the seat of the fire starting at the near edge. Question number 17. Putting fire out by removing fuel is called inhibition. Option A. True. Option B. False. Answer will be B. False. Question number 18. Flammable liquids are stored in paint lockers, storerooms containing flammable liquids. Option A. True. Option B. False. Answer will be A. True. Next question. Question number 19. In the restricted visibility encountered in an accommodation fire, you would option A. Carry a torch. Option B. Stand up straight to keep your head above the smoke. Option C. Use a fan to blow away the smoke and flames. Option D. Rig lifelines to assist a retreat. Answer will be D. Rig lifelines to assist a retreat. Question number 20. Which of the following is not a way to extinguish fire? Option A. Starve. Option B. Smother. Option C. Cool. And option D. Ignite. Answer will be D. Ignite. Question number 21. A disadvantage of using CO2 fire for firefighting is option A. They are not effective on class C fire. Option B. They are not effective on class B fire. Option C. The cylinders are a regulated pressure vessel. Option D. CO2 does not cool the fire. Correct answer will be D. CO2 does not cool the fire. Question number 22. To operate a fire extinguisher, one must pull, aim, squeeze and option A. Jump. Option B. Stand. Option C. Sing. And option D. Sweep. Answer will be D. Sweep. Next question. Question number 23. Before an emergency occurs, you should option A. Be able to recognize the sound or signal of a fire or evacuation alarm. Option B. Know the procedure in an emergency. Option C. Be aware of the emergency escape to a minimum of 2 exits from every area of the workplace. Option D, all of the above. Answer will be D, all of the above. Question 24. What maneuvers should be carried out in case of a fire on board a ship? Option A, let the ship follow the wind in order to reduce the oxygen supply. Option B, keep the step up against the wind if possible. Option C, continue on course and speed. Option D, reduce speed and if possible keep the fire zone to the leeward of the ship. Answer will be D, reduce speed and if possible keep the fire zone to the leeward of the ship. Question 25. After every use, the fire hose must be: Option A, tested to a pressure of 4 kg per centimeter square. Option B, hung up to dry and later correctly stowed. Option C, have their coupling removed. Option D, stowed in a safety equipment locker. Correct answer will be B, hung up to dry and later correctly stowed. Next question, question number 26. In order to put out a oil fire, you should aim the foam type fire extinguisher. Option A, hit the vertical bulkhead or wall near the fire. Option B, at the bottom and circle around the fire. Option C, at the base of the fire and sweep back and forth. Option D, in the middle of the flame. Answer will be A, hit the vertical bulkhead or wall near the fire. Next question, question number 27. A fire is said to be under control when: Option A, it stops spreading. Option B, no smoke is seen. Option C, when the temperature of side wall remains cool and steady. Option D, flame is knocked off. Answer will be C, when the temperature of side wall remains cool and steady. Question number 28. Which one of the listed requirements regarding abandoned ship and fire drills do not correspond to present regulation? Option A, on all international voyages except short voyage, muster of passengers shall take place within 24 hours after embarkation. Option B, on all short international voyages, muster of passengers shall take place as soon as possible after departure. Option C, each member of the crew shall participate in at least one abandoned ship drill and one fire drill every month. Option D, a training manual shall be provided in each crew mess room and recreation room or at each crew cabin. Answer will be D, a training manual shall be provided in each crew mess room and recreation room or at each crew cabin. Question 29. Which of the following is correct when it comes to the type of fire extinguisher you should avoid while fighting a fire in confined space? Option A, carbon dioxide and dry powder fire extinguishers should not be used. Option B, carbon dioxide and water fire extinguishers should not be used. Option C, water and dry powder fire extinguishers should not be used. Option D, only a dry powder fire extinguisher should not be used. Answer will be A. Question 30. Minimum capacity of emergency fire pump to be: Option A, 20 cubic meter. Option B, 25 cubic meter. Option C, 40 cubic meter. And option D, 50 cubic meter. Answer will be B, 25 cubic meter.